Hello traders and welcome to the London Forex Broadsheet's daily wrap of the markets for Monday, November 9th. The euro surged 150 pips throughout the Asian and European sessions, but it spent the US hours trading in a 30 pip range. This comes as the pair opened the US session just below the LFB R3 at 1.5005. This is an area that is very rarely touched on a daily basis. The pound was the best performing pair in Monday's trade. The pair advanced more than 200 pips even from the overnight session. However, the pound retraced half of those gains down to the 1.6750 swing point area throughout the second part of the European session and during the US trading hours. Monday represented the sixth consecutive day in which the pound moved higher. The Aussie has posted very strong gains since the beginning of the year, but in Monday trade the Aussie gained only 100 pips, far less than the other majors. It is interesting that this happened even though the commodity market, which is the usual driver of the Australian dollar, broke above important price levels. The loonie started the day with weak momentum, but as the market headed towards the US session, the pair started to recover. On the daily chart, the pair is just broken below the 20-day moving average. The Swissy is the one pair that is getting very close with parity against the US dollar. This is something that will mark an important moment in the Swissy's price action. However, in order for this to happen, investors must remain in a risk tolerance phase. The yen ignored everything that happened in the financial markets in Monday's trade. The pair had a range of only 50 pips. This comes as the pair is trading in the 90 area, which is a very important price point. Most likely, the pair is currently going through a redistribution phase. Overall, the Monday session started very well with the major pairs extending their daily trading ranges by the middle of the European session. However, since then, the forex market came to a complete standstill, with the major pairs barely moving. This happened even after the equity and commodity markets retained a portion of the momentum seen earlier in the day. Following the gain seen during the first part of the day, most currencies were trading close to the high of the year against the dollar. In order to push any higher, the S&P futures have to stay in the green. On the upcoming economic calendar, there are only two top-tier releases which will be coming from the Eurozone. Here you can see our complimentary trade plan of the day, which will be the euro. But if you'd like to see our set and forget numbers, you're going to have to visit our website. There's a link in the sidebar.
All contents of the LFB are for informational purposes only and should not be used as a replacement for research by an individual investor, trader, or licensed investment professional. Neither the LFB nor any of its affiliates shall be liable for any errors, omissions, or for any actions taken in response to the information contained herein. We hereby make no representations or warranties regarding the accuracy of any information contained in this broadcast or on our site. Forex market trading involves special risks and may not be suitable for everyone. Each investor or trader should assess their financial situation and risk tolerance before proceeding. Copyright 2007, LFB Services LLC. All rights reserved.